MagnaFlow's diesel lineup is quickly summarized by a few key features, one of which is stainless steel construction. And that doesn't matter whether you're buying our top-end Black Series to our newest entry-level custom builder pipe kit, you're getting stainless steel through and through. And that's a lifetime warranty-backed stainless steel product. In today's world of diesel, stainless steel is king. The factory from OEM, everything is stainless steel. Number two, value. There's a misconception that simply because you're using an inferior product like aluminized steel that it's going to be cheaper. We're an all stainless manufacturer. We buy in quantities that allow us to offer stainless steel products for the same price as most of the aluminized out there. And bottom line, when you're talking MagnaFlow, you get performance. We've got dyno-proven performance on every one of our products. If you're really looking for something to fit a budget, we've offered two new systems this year. The Off-Road Pro Series is an unusual system in the effect it doesn't have a tailpipe. You get all the features. If it's a turbo back, it starts the turbo. If it's a cat back, it starts behind the cat. But the system terminates just before the axle. In particular, this system allows the usage of exotic suspensions. If you have a vehicle that's highly lifted, or if you've got a fifth wheel for trailering, it provides for the extra room you need and a turn down that's hidden behind the axle. When you're looking at our new custom builder pipe kit, it as well has some of those value-added features, but what we've done instead is we've removed the muffler and removed the tip. Effectively, you've got an all-pipe system that starts all the way from the turbocharger and ends at the tailpipe. We've got an old line of parts called our Fit Mufflers, and these muffler kits are basically parts that you can install into your factory system using the factory front pipe and the factory tailpipe that offer you a budget way to get a MagnaFlow sound and a little bit of that MagnaFlow performance. These parts are still 100% stainless steel, but the unique part is they get rid of the most restrictive part, the muffler, and put in a high-flow MagnaFlow muffler, and then offer you a tip that you can clamp on at the end. For the Duramax, we've got a couple new products. We've got the turbo outlet downpipes. These are now thermal barrier coated 3-inch mandrel bent tubes that connect the turbocharger to the lower downpipe section. In the Dodge Cummins world, we've traditionally only offered exhaust systems that were larger than factory. Over this last year, we've seen an opportunity to bring our high-performance muffler and the straight-through design to a 4-inch exhaust system to still see some benefits. So now, on top of the 5-inch systems that we've offered for the factory 4-inch systems, we now have an upgraded 4-inch system with one of our high-flow mufflers. The MagnaFlow Black Series is another new product we're bringing to market. This happens to be a step above our MagnaFlow Performance Series. Now, the interesting part about the black, like the name implies, is we put a coating on the back. And it's not just any coating. We've gone to a high-temperature ceramic. It's one of the best in the industry and covers everything from the tailpipe tip all the way up to the muffler. One big difference, again, we're using stainless steel underneath. So you've got the quality and assurance that you're going to have a product that lasts the life of the vehicle and at the same time has a different aesthetic appeal. Our three traditional systems here at MagnaFlow that everyone's familiar with is our MagnaFlow Performance, the XL, and of course the Pro. The differences between these systems vary from not only the finish, but the actual materials that are included. The MagnaFlow Performance line is our top-of-the-line series and effectively has a dual-wall welded-on tip as well as a polished muffler. The next step down in our XL also gives you a tip, but this is a single-wall clamp-on and as well has a different finish. We've gone with a satin finish muffler. Finally, to round out that three, we have the Pro Series. And the Pro Series is a system with a satin finish muffler like the XL, but does not have the tip, which provides a little more value or an option for that person to select the tip of their own choice. MagnaFlow's DPF kits are different than most that you'll find in the industry. One of the key elements is that we have a tip on every system, whether you're buying our MagnaFlow Black Series, where you get a black-coated tip, down to our Pro Series. The tip's an integral part of how we make the DPF system work. We have an intercooler device that allows us to cool the system down when it's in regeneration. Apart from that, though, we also have a muffler. When you're buying our top-end systems, we give you the muffler for that guy who wants to tow, at the same time a delete pipe even to remove it for the guy who wants a little more sound. This is a unique part because a lot of the competition has gone out there and provided systems that has no muffler at all.